All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something pretty cool right over here. I got a Raptor V2. We love Raptors, and this is from Brian Brown Knives. Look at that. So this has been modded. The blade was originally black PVD M319. I mean, still M390, but it has been blasted, and we're gonna do a little bit of like changing. Like we got some Zirk pivot collar, we got a Zirk pocket clip, and you guessed that we get a Zirk backspacer as well, and yeah, couple of those pivot collars. So let's go ahead. I'm guessing, what is that, like a T10? Looks like a T10, this little fella right there. So we're gonna go ahead, tackle this guy from this side like so, and we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup in the meanwhile. Pivot is captive, so this I believe is, yeah, T8. So this guy just gonna be hanging out over there for a second. We're gonna have to remove the pocket clip as well. So that is the, oops, the distal one, and this is the, there you go, the more proximal one. And yep, we got another couple here for the handle, and this guy is just gonna go right there, and this fella down here. So I'm just keeping everything pinched like so, and then just slowly, there you go. So we're gonna just bronze accent, of course. We want the Zirk, so that is gone. Let me see, where's the, oh, that's the other clip. Pretty much, yeah, I would say identical, except for the weight, for sure. And we got the mid pin for the spacer right there. Let me see if I can push. This is interesting. Let me see, how can we, because this is definitely spinning. It is tie, so can't really use a magnet. All right, let's try something like this. Little tweezers, maybe they'll do the job. So let's actually just go ahead and finish this job first, right over here. So we got the bearings out, and the blade is up there. So pretty good. Pivot can come off. So show side, we got the pivot collar out. Just a little bit of a cleanup right over here. It's fine. Let's also clean this scale right here. Maybe something is gonna pop out. No, not yet. It's all right. This guy's pretty stuck. So, okay. So let me see. Yeah, it's definitely kind of stuck. Let's see what we can do. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean everything first, like this pin track. Let's just clean our blade, so that is fine. And let's also clean the bearings, like so, with ceramic balls. Nice, nice. And so here we have, yeah, nice color going on, and that is fine. But here, let me try and pop this. Yeah, no, the washer is just right there. So maybe we can try to go from the inside like so and just do a little bit of pressure. There you go, guys. Would you look at this move that I just pulled out? Not too shabby. Yeah, I was lucky, to be honest. Just go really careful, and sometimes just, I mean, this is like super like thin, but it was enough to just do a little bit of wedging to the side, so no damage, and here you go. So this is gone, like here, like this fella has to go right there. So this doesn't really feel like it's spinning, so just have to, let's see, use another technique. Which is called use a little bit of force, but without doing any damage, right? So this is going to be actually, because this fella we want actually here, yeah, on the show side, so that was fine. Right? Is this on the show side? Hold on a second. Yeah, it is. Because this is keyed in to lock in on the lock side, so yeah, it should go somewhere like this, pretty much position. And then we can do bearings in, and we can do a little bit of lube. I'm just gonna do something, maybe, you know what, because that's it was pretty drop shotty. I'm just gonna try to slow that guy down. Let's see, with some 85 weight nano oil, and it's one and big drop. So 2 big drops, because this is a thick one, 85. Let's see how it reacts. So here you go. So that is in place, and then we got the stop pin right over here. I don't know if you guys see, like here, like a dog barking, like nicely. All right, so that is in. And then we got this fellow. Let's not forget, right, bearings. They're probably gonna help if we put, wow, look at those drops. Those are big drops. And one is gonna be also for the detent ball. Here you go. So we lined in nicely, I would say, the pivot screw. That's the Zirk color, and here we have pretty lined up nicely. This guy, right, maybe, yeah. So body screw is in, not screwed all the way, but kinda. And that's the second one, just like that. So there you go. Oops, let's just do this and just keep it pressed. The pivot screw is in, but I forgot to change the bit, which is a T10 in this case, and just go back it up a little bit if it doesn't want to go at the first attempt. So yeah, looking good, looking good. I appreciate that. Yes, very nice. So now we're gonna just do tightening of this fella. Blade looks, yeah, pretty centered to me. Let's try actually to do a little bit, yeah, a little bit more. It was needed. It's a little bit tight, feels. So let's do just a little bit less. So very nice. Interesting. So we're gonna do the clip as well. So we got some nice zirc accents on this Raptor V2. Nicely done. I feel the handle is probably a little bit too thin, but for sure you got quite some blade, kind of like in the BBM style, you know, like small thin handles and bigger blades going on. This thing is definitely nice. I like with 85 weight nano oil, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, because there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.